This week, we're going to work on reading and spelling words with a magic E. When we see magic E at the end of a word, it is silent. That's why we call it magic E. Sometimes we say silent E or sneaky E even. But when we see this magic E, it makes the vowel say its name. So here we're going to see the A make the long A sound and say A. So here we say A magic E says A. We would see this in words like bake. The E makes the A say its name. Bake. We might see this in the word face. Ace. The E is going to make the A say its name. Face. When I go to write this and I sounds, now I know two ways to spell the long A sound. The first way is A by itself. Long A says A. Long A magic E says A. A says A magic E says A. We can sometimes put a star over the E to remind us that the E is silent at the end of that word.